Hello again. Yes, it's me again. That fella from Chesterfield. You know who I am, don't you? Yes, so I've been asked what's the Guerilla like. Guerilla 450 on the motorway. You've seen me tootling around country lanes plenty times, but you've never seen me on the motorway with it. So people ask me, has it got lots of vibrations? Does it keep up with the traffic, everything? But yes, so I've done a little video. It's only a short one this time. So let's see how I got on the motorway on Guy. Welcome back everybody. Yes, you've seen me many times on country lanes, but you've not seen me on the motorway on Guy the Guerilla. And people have asked me what's it like on the motorway, so let's see, shall we? Well, at 70 mile an hour, it's a naked bike, so you're getting buffeted a bit, but that's to be expected at 70 mile an hour, isn't it? As for comfort, it feels perfectly comfortable. Vibrations, yes, there's a little bit of vibration through the handlebars, but you get that with any vehicle, with any motorcycle, because I mean you get vibrations coming up through the forks, don't you, which transfer through to the handlebars. But no, it's not bad, it's okay. Motorway riding isn't good on any motorcycle, is it? That's why you don't see many motorbikes on the motorway. But the biggest problem is keeping the bike under the speed limit. I'll pull in behind this camper. Right, the camper, I'm doing 62. Let's get past them. Not knocked it down. Zip past. Top gear, no problem. What was I doing? 65 mile an hour. I opened the throttle up and it just ripped past. Absolutely ripped past. When you accelerate hard, you get some engine noise and vibration. Whenever the engine labours, you get vibration because it's working. But like now, I'm doing 67 miles an hour, cruising. I can't feel any vibrations. Minimal vibrations. 65, the buffeting isn't too bad. When you creep up to 70, yeah, I'm not hanging on for dear life, but the ratchet strap there, yeah, I mean, it might be my helmet. I mean, all helmets are different, aren't they? It's not bad on my body, but yeah, at 70 mile an hour, it's noticeable on my helmet. Let's get round these. Pull out, look again. And there we go. Easy peasy. very nippy on the motorway. You've got the power, you've got the speed. Motorways are no problem at all on the Guerilla. Long journeys. I haven't been on a long journey on the motorway for obvious reasons. But I have got one coming up where I'll be on for about hour and a half or so, but I don't see it being any problem. I hope you can hear me alright, because I've got quite a bit of wind noise in my helmet, so I presume my microphone will be picking this up. If it's too bad, I'll overdub when I come back, and I'll re-record the audio. Now, to be honest, this would be my usual driving style on the motorway. I will be in the near side lane at a safe distance from whatever's in front of me. Unless if I get a big HGV bearing down on me, I'll stay in this position. Anything between 50 and 60 is fine for me. I'm in no hurry. Well, not today anyway. And there we are. We're off the motorway, thank goodness. Aye. Yes, and as everybody on two wheels will appreciate, it's a relief to get off the motorway, isn't it? I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it in my car. I don't like it on the motorbike. Motorways are a necessary evil. You do need them if you want to get anywhere quickly, don't you? But no. Anyway, I hope that was helpful to people. If it was, please press the buttons. And until next time, it's goodbye from me. Ta-ta now. Ta-ta.